go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know, with you guys supporting us and following us, it allows us to continue to do what we do, and that's make awesome art videos for you. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is the top of our turtle's head, and we're just going to bring that at our starting point and bring it up and around and over. And then right where we had our starting point, we're going to give him a little smile. So we just kind of curve up, and curve down, and curve back up, and give him a little cheek smile there. And then we just do a nice little curved line to give him his lower lip. And look at that, we have a happy little turtle. So now we're going to do a shell. We're just going to take it to the back of his head, and we're just going to do a slight curve for the top, and then take it to the bottom of his neck, and do a slight curve up and connect it. And that's his shell. And now we're going to do the little patterns on the back of his shell, and you're just going to take it and you're going to just follow along that line that you made and connect it to the back. And then we're going to do a little curve at the top and 2 lines coming down, and that's going to make the pattern of the shell on his back. And now we're going to be doing the front of the turtle. So we're going to go to the front, right where we started with his head, and we're going to curve downward, and that's going to make the front of his torso. And then we're going to do his first flipper. So bring it down, around, back, and then up. And that's his first little flipper, almost like a banana shape. And then a line for his stomach, and then around and back for his back flipper. And then we're going to connect the shell to his back little fin there. Now we're going to do his flipper on the other side, and that's just to curve around and attach to the front. And now I'm going to be doing his eye. Now the way I do this is he's going to have a long oval eye, but I want there to be a highlight. So I'm going to start with the circle, and that's going to stay completely white. And then I'm going to do an oval around that circle, and that's what I'm going to color in. So it doesn't matter what you're using. You could be using a crayon, a marker, a pencil. Doesn't matter, just keep that circle white and color the rest of the oval in. Alright, so now I'm just doing a little line there for his nostril, and now I'm going to just make little circles on the top of his head, and this is just kind of the texture and the pattern that you see on sea turtles, so it doesn't have to be perfect or even symmetrical. You can do little circles, you can do or random shapes, it doesn't really matter. And then I just go down to his little flippers here and just put a couple on there as well. And there is our sea turtle. So now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to color him. And you can really do whatever color you want. It doesn't have to be green like a sea turtle. It can be a purple sea turtle if you really wanted to. But I'm just going to be doing some green here. And then for his little back flipper there and his spots, I just do a little darker green. And then for his shell, I'll be doing a couple different shades of brown. So if you like this video, then go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, let us know what you think. And if you would like to show off one of your drawings that you've done yourself, then go ahead and head over to any of our social media platforms, which will be linked in the description below, and submit one of your drawings. I hope you guys had fun, and we'll see you guys next time.